Hey guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ebere, in case you're coming here for the first time. And on this channel, we talk about everything skincare, we talk about beauty, we talk about lifestyle. If this looks like what you're interested in, please stick around because we're going to be dishing more content on this kind of topics. Today we are going to be talking about head to toe skincare products you should be using if you're on a budget. I mean tight budget. Now, you agree with me that the economy has been economy, especially for those of us who live in Nigeria. It has not been funny. So, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the business of the day. For your face wash, you're going to be using Dove bar soap. Yes, there is no wash that is more affordable than Dove bar soap. This is the kind of bar soap you should be using to wash your face in the morning, at night, and it is very good. This bar soap is between 1,500 to 2,000 naira, and the pH of this soap is very good and normal for the pH of the skin on the face. So this is the perfect bar soap you should be using on your face. Now for your serum, you want to add the Russian vitamin C serum. Trust me when I say that this serum is very good. Before I came to shoot this video, I had to go on the internet to see the review people have on it, and trust me, my mind was blown. People have a lot of amazing reviews regarding this product. So this is the kind of product you should be using. Now we'll be moving on to the face cream. What are the kind of face cream you should be using? You're going to be using the Babyface Florida face cream. This face cream is amazing. I personally used it and I have an amazing review about this product. I so much love the product. This product is not talked about on the internet, but it is very good. This product brightened my skin, helped me get rid of dull skin and uneven skin tone. So this is the kind of product you can use if you're on a very tight budget and you don't want to spend so much on skincare products. For your SPF, there is this diesel SPF. It is very good. As a matter of fact, a lot of people have amazing reviews on this product. Yes, this diesel sunscreen is between the price range of 1,500 to 3,000, and if you ask me, I think it is way affordable for the kind of job it does. I have not seen anybody complain that it leaves white cast on their skin, so it is good. You can equally use the Dr. Rashio sunscreen. Everyone knows this. It is very affordable and does not leave white cast. It is super amazing, especially if you're on a budget and you still want to take care of your skin. So this is the way to go. For your body care product, you should be using this as your bar soap. This bar soap is the With Gold exclusive whitener soap. This soap contains glutathione and sunscreen, so it is a 7 days whitening soap. But trust me, With Gold does not produce any whitening products. This soap is really amazing if you're looking for that even skin, if you're looking for that affordable product that will make your skin pop even without spending so much. This soap is between the price range of 2,000 naira to 2,500, and you can use it. This will serve you for at least 3 weeks before you think of buying another product to use. So if you ask me, this is the bar soap you should be using if you want to even out your skin without breaking a bank. For body scrub, you're going to be using the Q Spa Salt. That scrub is amazing. A lot of reviews on the internet, people have to say. I have a positive review about that product too. It is between the price range of 3,500 to 5,000, and I think it is affordable for the kind of job it does. And if you're using it well, you will use it for up to 3 months. Yes, you use it for up to 3 months before you think of repurchasing. So I highly recommend. For your lotion, I have the Vaseline Healthy Body Glow and the Vaseline Healthy White UV Lightening. This is for light skin. If you're fair and you want that to even out your skin, this is what you should be going for. And if you're caramel skin, this is what I highly recommend for you. This lotion, as amazing as it is between the price range of 1,500 to 2,500. This is the original. I heard it has counterfeits in the market, so if you're buying, you want to buy the original. This is very good if you're on a budget, especially if you're a student. You don't want to leave much more important things you should be thinking about and be thinking about expensive body care products you should use to glow your skin. You can still glow your skin even on a budget. So these two I highly recommend. Now coming to your body oil, you can use the diesel body oil. Trust me when I say that this oil is amazing. It is between the price range of 2,000 to 3,000. Yes, this body oil is very good. There is the vitamin C, there is the avocado, and anyone is totally fine. If you're looking to brighten up your skin, you should be using the vitamin C. And if you don't care about brightening your skin, you just want to unify your complexion, to have that healthy glow or healthy radiance, you should be going for anyone you lay your hands on. But that oil is amazing. That is an oil that will blend out your skin without you doing too much. So do I recommend it? I highly recommend it. Now I need to add this. If your skin is problematic, I think you should just, stick to something else. Do not use this skincare product. But people with normal skin, people that are not acne prone, can use this to look good. And I have used some of the products on this product list, and I tell you that it did not harm my skin. It was just perfect for me. So these are the kind of body care products you should be using if you're on a strict budget. Okay, you don't have to break a bank to look good if you happen to be among the skin categories I just mentioned. Now, from my calculation here, everything here is not more than 20,000. So this means that with 20,000, you can fix your skin and your skin will still look flawless without doing too much. So try this out and tell me what you think. With that being said, we've come to the end of today's video. To my amazing subscribers, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. If you like what we do here, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. I look forward to seeing you on my next one. For now, bye.